Congratulations, Kshitija, because this is something that you are looking for. You're looking for 79, that is IELTS band score 8 to get 20 PR points. Are you looking for your 20 PR points, or it's something for others?
Yes, that's the reason for 20 points.
Because some people actually sitting for PT nowadays for getting nursing registration, because they need to sit for the PT. But that's the reason I asked at the very beginning. It's for their migration pathway or something like they're looking for their nursing course registration. And did you think that you will get 90 each module this time?
Oh, to be honest, not really. I came home and I knew I was not going to get the desired marks, and I was actually about to book another.
Could you please tell me that if any students who are looking for 79 now, and he's very new to PT, what are the common things that they should follow to get their desired score? Because I'm asking this question to you because already you achieved 79 plus in 3 modules before coming to Melbourne PT.
Yeah.
So definitely you know some pathways that, yes, I know that if a person can practice in this way, if the person follow these particular methods or these particular strategies or techniques, whatever, they must get a score in PT. Could you please help us so that others can listen to you and they can actually follow your guidelines?
I think the most important thing in terms of speaking was just to be very confident.
Yes.
So when it's read the passage in the speaking, the first question.
Read aloud.
Read aloud, yes. So I think in that case, it's just you have to be confident. Even if you don't know how to speak that or pronounce that word, just do it in your way rather than stuttering.
Yeah.
That was in my opinion, I think that was a key part for me. And I think for listening, even if you don't know what's happening, if you just get a gist of what the context is about or pick up the keywords, you will just get the questions right. Okay.
So your suggestions is that if a person wants to do the read aloud, they should focus more on clarity.
Yes.
They should focus more on clarity. And another suggestions you want to provide for listening, that if the audio is a little bit tricky, or if the students cannot understand the proper context of the audio, they should focus more on the keywords and make own sentences related with the keywords so that they can get their score. Isn't it?
Yes, that's right. Because I know it's difficult sometimes to actually focus on the listening section and to give 100% attention to it. And that would always happen with me. I couldn't focus all the time. So I would just pick up keywords and I know what's the context about, get a bit of gist on what they are talking, and just answer the questions.